because we are already spending $1 billion. That $1 billion is money that is available in our market that we can use to buy your products. But you see, we have to get on with it. It cannot continue to be any discussion any further. We all know what is right and what is wrong. Muthomi Njuki, I agree with you, the pulses issue. I called you. I called the governor of Kitu. I called Seth. I called, who was the other person? I think those three. And I gave this man called Moses Kuria instructions. Moses, I told you what to do. You know, chukua microphone, ambia hawa watu, hii pulses, what are you going to do? Wapi microphone, patia huyu mtu anaitwa Moses. You know me and you are discussed.
Your Excellency, as if you expect to have a different answer, which is not possible. So, Governor Muthomi Njuki, by close of next week, we'll have bought all the dengos from the county, from Makueni, and from Kitui, and from Embu at the right price. So we need to have a conversation around that price. And why I'm very happy, this is a very good problem to have. Because a few weeks ago, we came to you because we didn't have food in this country. And you told us, just guarantee me that you'll buy, these people are human tractors. And you have proven that they are real human tractors. So by close of next week, I'm going to dispatch my teams, and once we agree on the price, we'll mop up all the dengos. And that should be the trend for future, for the cotton, for the paredram, for anything. It is not our fault. It is not the farmers' mistake that they are too hardworking. We have to do what we need to do as a government. Thank you. Asante.
Okay. So when we finish this meeting, I expect a meeting between Governor Muthomi, Governor Seth, Governor, my good friend Mutula, and Malombe, Governor Malombe, on the issue of pulses. It is